Hey, today we're diving into sampling techniques, and this is going to be the process with which you are going to efficiently and effectively conduct your audit. You're not going to test absolutely everything. That's a lot of work. We don't like to do work here, right? Well, also, practically speaking, for an audit or for other engagement types, but primarily for an audit, right? You're doing the most testing here. You have a budget. You not only have like only certain amount of hours in the day, but you have a budget. You need to get things done effectively and efficiently. Another point, which we'll talk about, is if you just tested absolutely every transaction in the financial statements, in the ledger, then that means you're taking responsibility for them. So let's say that you sample 25% of all the transactions in a particular ledger, right? You sample those. If those are all good to go, awesome. But if you missed something and just the more data you go over, if there's something that in that data that is incorrect and you miss it, well, guess what? That's on you. So if you decide to just, oh yeah, let's just drag the formula in Excel down because that's just checking everything against all the data and essentially verifying more and more. Well, great. But if you miss something, you're now taking responsibility for more. So sampling is a great way to also limit our responsibility, limit our liability in that situation. Not something that I'd say is talked about enough, but I think it's a very important point to know because that's really what's going on. Gives you additional context for what we're seeing. Now, with that being said, let's dive into our learning objectives and see what we got in store. Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.